This is my 1998 Suzuki Gsxr 1100, and this year I decided to make some weight savings on the bike. First off, I changed the battery to a lithium-ion battery. The old stock battery on this bike weighed 4.3 kilograms, and the lithium-ion battery only weighed 0.8 kilograms. So that's a weight saving of 3.5 kilograms. Then I removed the toolkit from underneath the seat, and that saved me 0.9 kilograms. Then I changed to a Akrapovic sport exhaust with the titanium muffler. The stock exhaust on this bike is very heavy and weighed in at 17.1 kilograms. And the Akrapovic system only weighs 5.5 kilograms. That's a weight saving of 11.6 kilograms. So the total weight saving on this bike this year is 16 kilograms. Converted to pounds, that is 35.27 pounds. The bike now weighs at the scales with a full fuel tank, weighing at 233 kilos. That is 513.6 pounds. I'm pretty happy with the bike, how it performs, and I can feel the difference. 16 kilograms on a bike is it's a pretty fine weight cut.